Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn that how to install the latest version of MS Office, Microsoft Office in your laptop. So I'm just gonna give you a demo. Like I have just installed. This is Excel. This works very fast and it's offline and it's also free activated. So I'm just gonna install. You have to follow my steps. It's very easy. So let's get started. Now you have to open your browser and search here Office deployment tool and press enter. After this you have to just open the site, this site. After this you have to just scroll down and press here download button. And now I have just downloaded, so that's why I will not download again. So you have to download it and open the folder location where it has just downloaded. So I'm just open my download folder, programs, and here you will find the Office deployment tool. So copy this tool and create a new folder here, like this folder I have created, and name it and paste the tool that you have copied. After this you have to just press right button on setup and click on extract here. After this you have to just open the PowerShell in this folder, so you have to click on the file button and here, and now you have to click this open Windows PowerShell. After this I'll give you a code, you have to just paste here, like this code I will give in description. So that's why you have to just copy and paste here. I just paste and click on enter. After this it will automatically start MS Office 365 downloaded. It has just started. So you have to just see here it's started, and now it will show you how much percent it has just completed. It will gonna download very soon. It depends upon your PC or laptop condition. Now you have to just wait at the completion of this. I have just installed, so that's why it's asking about. So it will download. It's working very fast. Nice. So friends, please subscribe my channel. If you have just done your work, don't forget to share, and it will help me to reach 1K subscriber. This is my first step, so it's gonna complete. 97% is done. You can see it from here. After the installation you'll go here and search Office, and this will, if the Office is installed, you will see this and this Word and this Outlook, and also you will see the MS Excel, MS Word, and a lot of tools that are shown here, the PowerPoint. This is installation is finished, so congratulations, you have just installed the Office. And after this you will see the pop-up, this message, and it will automatically close, or you have to just press close. So thanks dear, please subscribe my channel for my support. Thanks to all.